Replacing the front shocks and the front control arm rear bushings isn't that hard on a Nissan Be-1. Probably the same on any of the K10 Micra cars like the POW and Figaro. Starting with a 21mm socket, remove your lug nuts.
Take a 17mm socket, you put it on the nut, and you put a wrench on the other side to hold it. You can go. Then you take the nut off on the top and the bottom. Get a 12mm. Bolt comes out. Forgot to take that little clip out. There we go. Looking at the old shock and the new shock, this looks like it's the correct side. I just lucked out opening it. I'm going to save the spring. I have a new bump stop. I believe it lives under there. I need all this top hat stuff I need to save. And there it is. Now, we've all seen a lot of YouTube to know we're not supposed to do this because this will explode and everything will go flying. Yeah, that's correct. So what I'm going to do is some sketchy stuff. I don't recommend you do this, but this is what I'm going to do. Back that up against there. Let's step on this, and then I'm going to release. Goes right there. This looks relatively reusable. That looks okay too. Spring will come out. What happened here? Oh man. Is there no bump stop? Or did it get fused into the shock? Huh. It seems like this has been serviced before and everything's just missing. Because like, why is this jammed in there like that? It's supposed to be one of these. It doesn't even exist. This is the part number right here. How dead was this? Oh, it has good rebound. Oh. There's like a dead spot in the middle right here. There it is. Especially if you go fast, a lot of bumps. There's no absorption. Oh, whoa. What is absorption? This is the new one. There's at least some resistance to this. Should be good. Pull that guy all the way out. I think the bump stop should exist in here. Make sure this thing is still here on the bearing. Then get this over the top. There we go. Put this nut back in and secure it. One side is done. Use the two nuts to hold it up top. I'm using this, just pushing it up. See how it just slides into place. Don't forget to put this guy back in. Gotta secure it on the top, and we're good to go. Snug the wheel back on, I'll torque it down afterwards. Want to see how this works?
Yeah.
Come here.
See it.
Can you see? Come over here. Right here. Stand right here. Hey, stand here. On the cardboard, yeah. Turn around. Put the wrench on. Find the spot, yeah. Then you push up to de-loosey. Can you see? And then you're gonna have to grab Gotta get this wrench back out because it gets stuck.
That guy is not real over there, Daddy. Who made that?
That's called a mannequin.
Who made that? Daddy, who made
I
that?
don't know who made it. I think you mean who put it there?
Yeah.
I put it there.
Then,
There's a lot more work to do this by hand, Marshall. And you have power tools, use them.
I don't.
You don't have any power tools?
Yeah.
It's your little kid.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kids don't have any power tools
Why not?
because kids only have toys. That's it.
Oh, okay. Is that how that works?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
But good thing we have a lot of toy cars. Daddy,
you do have a lot of toy cars. See, look.
but,
You
but
use 2 wrenches and then you can turn it.
I got some chunks. I got some big ones too.
Got some big what? Toy cars?
Big cars.
Yeah.
But I got those ones I call construction sites, but they're very big.
This is what's this?
I don't know.
You've seen this before. What's this called? It's in your book. Starts with an N.
Not.
Nut. That's right. Have you learned what this is?
That.
What's this? The nut goes on it.
It's called.
Starts with a B.
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 B is for bolt.
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 Bolt. Nut and bolt. They go together.
All right.
All right. This time I loosen the whole bottom. I'm going to do the top. I'm going to hold the bottom and hold the top.
That's loud.
A little bit. Yeah?
Yeah. Pretty loud.
A little loud. Okay.
All right.
All right.
If you hurt yourself, that means you're gonna have a bad time.
That's right.
Oh wait, Daddy, there's a TV over there.
Yeah, there is a TV over there.
Why they're not doing anything?
It's not being used right now. Got the whole shock out. Look, this is the strut assembly.
See? That is Swirly. That is Swirly.
Yeah, they're both swirly. Watch out, stay outside.
Daddy.
This is dangerous. It's dangerous because this could blow up. Okay? Right?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Stay there, don't come in here. You can watch, but just stay out there. See that this is completely separated? The shaft is free spinning, which is not helpful. There we go. Just have to put a little bit of tension on it.
Hey,
Yeah? What's up?
look. Daddy, look at this. It's dirty now.
I know, it's nasty. You can go rinse it off.
Okay.
Alright, so all this stuff stays there. This can slide out. I think this one's completely missing its shock bushing too. Either it completely disintegrated or it was removed and never put back in. So, let's see how busted this shock is. The shaft is very wobbly. It makes a lot of knocking noises. This is probably what all that noise is in the front end on the passenger side. Got these new KYB shock absorbers. Thank you very much, Charles. Charles Gold out in Central Mass. He very graciously got me a pair of these. I'm very grateful for this. I helped him out with his AZ1, so he helped me out with getting me a pair of shocks for this. amongst other things. I mean, we're helping each other out with a bunch of stuff. Got that all the way in. Slip this in all the way. It's a lot easier when you have a proper tool to start with. Put this back the right way. Put this back over the top. Put this nut right on top. Decompress this. And put this back through the holes.
Put everything back on like the other side.
I also got these bushing rubbers right here. I believe they go here. See how that one's all cracked up? Looks like that just unbolts with the 2 bolts. Pull that down, slide that out, and slide the new one on. Same for this one. This one does not seem as bad, but let's find out. Get your 14 mil socket. Just a bit tight after all these years. Yeah. Same. This one's all hard and cracked up. This one's a little bit malleable. A little bit. Very firm. I got myself some silicone. That should be able to lube it up. Let me get this in here. Use silicone so you don't break down the rubber. Silicone is rubber friendly without the petroleum products. There we go. Do the same thing right here. That came off pretty easy. This one is not as rough as the other one. The new bushing is in. I don't know why this side was so difficult. But it is together. I gotta put the wheel back on and then we'll try to give this a drive. Oh wait, no, I also have to tighten the bolts up top.
Make sure you tighten these nuts up top on both strut towers so your shocks don't fall out. Time to move all these cars and back everything out. It's really dark now. Doing stuff at night's kind of difficult out here.
Drive, see what's going on. Oh my god, nighttime, I can't see anything, I'm old. See how this handles now. I know it's nighttime, you guys probably can't see anything. Oh man. So much smoother. Amazing. Drives like how it's supposed to. Awesome. Alrighty, this is my B1. I am posting this video quite some time after I did the shocks and everything I did here. So I ended up selling this on Cars and Bids. It sold for a lot less than I hoped for. I got $4,500 for it. It is what it is. You win some, you lose some. Hopefully I'll get another pike car soon. I would like to get a POW, but this is the B1. My first pike car is a quirky, cool little car. I figured I would show you guys what it looks like with the seat covers off because Cars and Biz asked me to remove them. The seats are not torn or anything, so that's very good. here I discovered a bonus that this opens and you can fold the seat down. Oh, come on. There we go. And you can fold the seat down and access the trunk. Huh. Fun little things you discover when you have to take the cover off. The cover wasn't like a elastic band. It had like strings that were just tied all the way around. It was kind of annoying. But seats were pretty good. There's some like stains or something on it, but looks like it'll clean right out. Thanks for watching, guys. There's plenty more JDM content like this coming. I just got a bunch more cars. I'm trying to clear out my fleet, and of course I'm buying more stuff. So I haven't bought anything in a while. I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe, like, comment. Goodbye, little fella.